I think you're going to have more success getting signups or people interested in joining LiveGood either as a member where they can get wholesale pricing on the products, or maybe they want to be an affiliate where you just pay 40 bucks, two $20 bills, and you just join and make a video like you're watching now. Maybe you want to email people. Go on social media. Just invite people to a link that I'm going to show you. Get some business cards. All right, I just went to Vistaprint. I think I paid 20 bucks for a big old box of these. I'll never use that many in a year. And on a street level, I just hand you a card. And that's if you bring up LiveGood. I don't really recruit by saying, hey, here's a sign on the side of the street. Come on in. Check things out. I don't knock on doors. I don't do cold calls. That's 1970, 1980, 2000, 2010, might even be 2020. But I ain't doing like any type of MLM where I'm begging someone to buy something so you have to pay $80 for a product that's worth $8. Okay? We live good. Joincory.com. That's all I do. I make it as simple as fun as possible, and it seems to work. Okay? My group is duplicating. I got over 400 people signed up, and sometimes it takes 6 months to a year to finally get your own way of doing things. Okay? I like to do videos like this. I find it easy to turn a webcam on, just talk to you guys for maybe 2 minutes, 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Talk about LiveGood a little bit. Mix it up. Maybe the products, the opportunity. All right, join by Thursday and this happens. We have live videos on Friday from the company. All right, on Monday, we have Dr. Ryan and his wife, Lisa, talk about our products. There's stuff always going on with LiveGood, especially sales. We're doing 15 million bucks a month wholesale worldwide, 200 countries. Almost 2 million people signed up worldwide in the last 2 years. 1 million a year, pretty impressive. I think we're still signing up around 60,000 a month still. That's insane. When a company has momentum like LiveGood, that's when you want to join as an affiliate if you're looking on the money side of things. We commission the membership side. We do not commission the product side. You do not have to buy all these products that you can see on my fridge there in the white containers. I don't buy a bunch of products in order to qualify to be ranked so I can rank up to bank up. I don't have to do that. We don't do that. We don't commission the products. Buy them if you enjoy them. Get your money back. You got 3 darn months, 90 days to use them. And you know what? If you dig them, buy them again. And I recommend you be a member, because to be a member for 10 bucks a month, you get wholesale pricing. Let's see, when I joined, I had super red, super greens. The orgasmic coffee, amino acid punch. I had some other things, but if I spent 10 bucks a month to buy wholesale, it'd save me about 30 to 40. So that's why I became a member. And then I became an affiliate when a friend of mine got a hold of me and said, look, 40 bucks, one and done. You might as well make money. See if you can earn 100 bucks a month and use that 100 bucks to buy the products. And I thought, that's a good idea. I didn't know that I would have 400 people signed up. I'd be top 30 in the company out of 2 million. And if I just made things simple and fun like what you're watching now, that it would work. I don't have experience as a network marketer, affiliate marketer, MLM guy. I'm not that person. Okay? But I am good at just chit-chatting with you folks and just inviting you to a link. Okay? And this is what I did. I bought these business cards on Vistaprint. I hand them out now and then on a street level. I put joincory.com because I bought this from GoDaddy for like 11 bucks. It goes to this page here. All right, say hi to this fine-looking guy here in the old blue shirt. Watch this video. You'll see our CEO, Ben Glinsky. You're going to see the name and the email address. Okay, fill it in. If you want to join, open up your LiveGood email you're going to receive and join. Okay, or if you don't join, once a day, LiveGood will automatically send you an email giving you more information about products or how to make money. Okay, and you can opt out of those emails anytime. I recommend put your name and email address in here and click the orange button, because you're going to get 30 emails for 30 days. Collect them, because I use them. When I email people about LiveGood, I just kind of use the LiveGood email because it's so well written. Why try to use my own brain cells? I only have like 5 left. Okay, so anyway, how am I successful? What's the trick? Well, the trick is get yourself maybe a domain if you want. 20 bucks, get some business cards. That way you don't talk about this on a street level. Just hand out the card with the link. Okay, invite people to this page. And then, of course, you want people to go to LiveGood. Okay, and people, you You guys look at the products. Okay, we have a ton of great products. All you got to do is just simply go through the tab, go through the FAQ section too, because there's a lot of frequently asked questions. See there on the left it says FAQ. And then at the bottom, our pay plan. It'll say affiliate pay plan or pay plan. It depends how big your screen is. Okay, just click this link and then you guys can see the 7 ways we get paid on the membership side. Okay, now read all 7 on the web page, but you know what? Go to the bottom. There's a nice YouTube video that explains 100% how we make money. And say hi to this pretty girl here. Okay, so click the button, watch the YouTube video, go to FAQ, check out the products. Hopefully you'll do what I do. Just get a simple domain and invite people to click it, and you're done. LiveGood has customer service, shipping and handling. Everything is done. There's nothing left for you to do. Just enjoy the products, return them in 3 months if you don't like them. And every day, if you're on social media, why not invite people to the link? All right, if you're going to email someone and say, hey, what's going on? How's the dog? How was your bowling tournament? Check this out. Click it. All right, there's plenty of ways to invite people to LiveGood. And people will figure it out, just like you watching me now. All right, you don't need to have your arm held or, just me in your living room begging you to join. All right, I'm just cool like that. I just say, please click the link, watch the video. If you'd like to join, awesome. If not, hey, thanks for your time. Okay, keep things simple, keep things fun. Okay, joincory.com. All right, let's end this video. If you're on my YouTube channel, subscribe. I do an insane amount of video regarding this company, and hopefully these help you, especially if you join me as an affiliate, okay? All right, guys, peace and love. We'll talk to you next video, and thanks again for your time.